How to change your username on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go down, click this one, settings and privacy, and then click this one, your account, and now click this one, account information. And now all you do is just click here and just type your new username here and then click done, and then you will change your username, and that's how change your username on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.